This quick guide will assist you what to do before performing a clean installation of Windows. We are making this guide on a Windows 11 powered device. It is also useful for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP and others. This will help ensure a smooth and successful installation process. So, what do you need to do before installing Windows from scratch? Performing a clean installation of Windows requires planning, preparation, and full concentration. A single mistake on your part can lead to many problems during clean installation. If you don't pay attention, in addition to other plethora of risks, you could wipe the entire hard drive resulting in data loss. In this guide, we will suggest some important steps that you should take before installing Windows. Backing up your data is probably the most important thing you can do before installing any operating system on your computer. Make sure you have moved or transferred from C drive to another drive all important files, photos, and other data. Do not forget to take backup of your most critical data from all partitions. It will help you just in case something goes wrong during the installation process. There are many different ways to back up your data, so choose the method that works best for you. Another important step to take before installing Windows 10, 11 or any other Windows version is to download and save device drivers. This way, after Windows clean installation, if there are any compatibility issues with your hardware and the new operating system, you will be able to easily install the drivers and get everything up and running smoothly. You can usually find drivers on the manufacturer's website or through Microsoft's website. We have several guides on downloading, installing, and updating device drivers. The Clean Install Windows wipes out every single thing C drive including your settings, third-party programs and other things. After Clean Install Windows, you will have to reinstall third-party programs and activate them. If you are careless in keeping things in order, back up or note down serial, license, registration keys before Clean Install Windows. Otherwise, after the Windows installation is complete, if you don't have backup of these keys of installed programs, you might not be able to use the paid programs or applications anymore. While making a bootable USB, you need to take two most critical things into account. Otherwise, the bootable USB containing installation files will not boot. Make sure the USB is compatible with your hard disk partition scheme and motherboard's boot mode. If the partition scheme is MBR, it is not compatible if your device has the GPT partition scheme. You might not be able to install Windows from the USB drive. Same goes with boot mode. If the motherboard is set to legacy boot mode, it is not compatible if the bootable USB consists of UEFI boot mode. Select boot mode accordingly between legacy and UEFI modes. Performing the clean installation will reset your game's progress. If you play offline games, you will have to play the game of your choice from level 1. Your game progress is saved in a file. Generally, this file is found in the Documents folder. Backup or move that file to D drive or any other partition. Follow a tutorial on YouTube to back up or move the profile or save game folder according to your favorite game. After the clean install completes, install that game and place save game data on its required location and you will not lose your game progress. If you are not good at remembering passwords or you don't keep a record of online accounts, usernames, passwords, bookmarks and other things, you will lose all these things after installing Windows. Before performing a clean installation of Windows, make a text file and note down your usernames and passwords. As well as make a list of websites you have accounts on. If you find it difficult, modern web browsers come with the Browser Sync feature. After the clean install Windows, this useful function brings back usernames, passwords, history, bookmarks and other things. To use the Browser Sync feature, you need to create an account on the official website of your web browser. For example, you can use your Gmail or Google account to use Browser Sync. These were crucial steps you must take before performing a clean installation of Windows. Hopefully, you find this guide useful and informative. If you think we have skipped covering any crucial step, please do share in the comment box. Leave your questions, suggestions and feedback in the comment section.
More info and download links can be found on softsuggester.com. Subscribe to Software Geek for more useful videos, and ring bell button for the latest updates.